Do you want to know how you can log into your Lightning Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Lightning Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar to search for Lightning Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal. This is the client login portal of Lightning Payroll. You can see you can log in using your email address. So go ahead and write down your email address in the first box. After you write down your email address, go to the second box and write down your password. As you write down your password, you must make sure that it is correct. So go ahead and click on this button, check your password, and the final step is to click login. Before clicking login, you must make sure that your email address and password matches your Lightning Payroll account. So after you're done, click login and then you can successfully log into your Lightning Payroll account. If you want to reset your password as you have forgotten it, click here to reset it. So guys, this is how you log into your Lightning Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.